Marko, welcome to Juventus. Which are the first feelings about this new adventure?
Uh, Thank you for the welcome. I'm very happy and excited to be in such a big club. I can't wait to start training and playing with the team. I hope we'll win many trophies. This is why I came here, and that's it. I just want to get started.
Which are the main targets of your season here in Juventus?
I think we want to win the trophy in the league and the cup, and of course we want to come as far as possible in the Champions League. And for my personal goals, I hope I'll train good, I'll play good, and I'll get as many chances in the field as I can.
Which is your number, the number you have chosen, and why?
It's chosen number 20. It's my number from Dinamo Zagreb and from Croatian national team, so I wanted to wear this in Juventus also.
And last, say hello to all Juventus fans.
I want to say hi to all Juventus fans. I hope I'll make you happy in the next few years.